how much should you actually spend on a gaming laptop? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Acer Nitro V. The Acer Nitro V caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $799.99. If you want a laptop that can handle gaming and multitasking without breaking the bank, this one is worth a serious look. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i5-13420H processor, which means you can stream, game, and edit simultaneously without lagging. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics are a standout feature, providing stunning visuals and the ability to play the latest titles smoothly. What's cool is the 165 Hz refresh rate on the 15.6 FHD display. It makes fast-paced gaming feel alive, reducing ghosting, which is crucial when aiming for those headshots. And with Wi-Fi 6, your connection stays strong and reliable, whether you're at home or in a gaming cafe. Now, some people complained about the battery life, which can be a bit short during heavy gaming sessions. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly gaming at home or near a power source, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer who also dabbles in content creation or multitasking. Skip this one if you need a laptop that lasts all day on battery alone. But for $799.99, you're getting a lot of power for your money. Now, if that battery issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HP Victus 15. Next up is the HP Victus 15, priced slightly higher at $899 but often on discount. I was really impressed by its performance specs. If you want a laptop that runs multiple applications smoothly while gaming, this one deserves a look. This means it can handle demanding tasks with ease, whether you're gaming or streaming. The 16GB DDR5 RAM is a huge plus, allowing for smooth multitasking. Plus, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card ensures that you'll enjoy crisp visuals and solid frame rates at 144 Hz on its 15.6 FHD display. This is great for gamers looking for that edge in performance. But honestly, if you prioritize performance over portability, that shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a laptop that balances gaming and everyday tasks efficiently. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight for travel. For around $899, it's a solid investment for gamers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious gamers. Product number 3, MALLRACE Gaming Laptop. Then we have the MALLRACE Gaming Laptop, which is surprisingly affordable at $599.99. I was genuinely surprised by what this budget option brings to the table. If you want a powerful laptop without spending too much, this is worth checking out. This laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U, which rivals many Intel i7 processors. It delivers smooth gameplay, and the 16GB RAM makes sure you can run multiple tasks simultaneously without a hiccup. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics provide decent performance for gaming and everyday tasks, ensuring you can enjoy a smooth experience. Plus, with a 15.6 FHD display, your games will look vibrant and clear. Some reviews mention the build quality feels a bit cheap. But honestly, considering the performance and capabilities at this price point, it's a trade-off I'd personally be willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer looking for great value. Skip this if you're a hardcore gamer needing the latest graphics. For $599.99, it's an incredible deal that doesn't sacrifice much in terms of power. Now, if you want something with a bit more storage, the next option is a strong contender. Product number 4, HP Victus 15.6 FHD. Next, there's another HP model, the Victus 15.6 FHD, priced at $729.99. This one caught my attention with its solid specs and value. If you're looking for a well-rounded gaming laptop, this might be the perfect fit. The 8GB RAM is decent, but what's nice is the 144 Hz refresh rate on the 15.6 display, making for a smooth gaming experience. Plus, you get a USB hub included, which is a nice touch for extra connectivity. However, some users noted that the RAM could be limiting for more serious gamers. Here's the thing, if you're mostly playing casual games and doing some light multitasking, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a good balance of performance and price. Skip this one if you're into more demanding gaming or multitasking. At $729.99, it offers solid performance for the price. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which is all about storage. Product number 5, KAIGERR Gaming Laptop. Finally, let's talk about the KAIGERR Gaming Laptop, which comes in at $539.99 and offers some impressive features. I like this one if you need ample storage without spending too much. With a 1TB NVMe SSD and 16GB of RAM, this laptop is designed for those who need space for both games and files. The AMD Ryzen 7 5825U delivers powerful performance, ensuring your games run smoothly while the 15.6 high-definition display offers vibrant visuals. Plus, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 6, giving you a fast internet connection. Some reviews have pointed out that the graphics performance isn't as high-end as some competitors. But for the price and storage alone, it's a solid choice for casual gamers or anyone needing a laptop for everyday tasks. This is perfect for you if you need a good storage solution and decent performance for browsing or gaming. Skip this if you're serious about high-end gaming performance. At $539.99, it's hard to argue against its value. Now, let's wrap this up and summarize what we've looked at today. So to recap, we started with the Acer Nitro V, an excellent all-rounder, the HP Victus 15, which balances power and design, the budget-friendly MALLRACE for casual gamers, the HP Victus 15.6 FHD for those who want a solid gaming experience, and finally the KAIGERR, which offers plenty of storage for a lower price. Each has its strengths, but all are great options under $800. Choose based on what fits your gaming style best.